Hey there, Hoopty fans. It's Gary coming to you from Glen Elk. Beautiful vintage variety used cars. We're going to do another episode of Hoopty in the Hills. I'm really excited. We got a brand new project sitting here. Something I picked up from my very first dealer auction, the first one I've been qualified to go to. I bid on several cars. Unfortunately, I only won one, but at least we have something to work on. So let's get started, talk about it, talk about this big project. First of all, cue my intro. This is my 2013 Volvo S60 T5. I picked this up from the Mountain State Auto Auction right here in Harrison County. It's the first thing I've been able to buy at a dealer auction, and I'm really excited for it to be our first official project. So the Volvo is a 2013. Like I said, I picked it up from a dealer auction. I am an official dealer now. So now is when we start making the big bucks. We'll see, only if I'm smart. So let's see here. So it is like a dark metallic gray. It's very advertised to my video audience something better than what it is. I paid $7,000 for this car at the auction, and we'll do a quick walk around and talk about So I'll just do a quick walk around here first. Like I said, we haven't touched it at all. We haven't took a hose to it, nothing. So it's just as dirty as it was at the auto auction. So I guess the best way to go about this is just to start pointing out some of the problems. First thing down here, you can see, I don't know, they've hit a parking block or something with it, and it's actually pushed the paint up in the plastic. So we'll try to do something to clean that up, hopefully. I don't know that we'll repair it completely, but hopefully we can at least make it look a little better. Across the front end, the rest of it looks pretty good. Surprisingly, not a lot of chips for a car this age. You would expect it to have a bunch of chips. There is like a dent right here where something hit down on it. But really, almost no chipping. Must have been somebody that was a decent driver and didn't ride everybody's asses. The lights, lights are a little foggy. Hopefully we can get most of that off. We can take a kit to that and sand that down and polish it and buff it back out. See on this light, kind of the same situation. With the sun hitting it, you can see it pretty well. And it's, sometimes these are harder, in my experience, if you can't feel the fogginess, because sometimes it's down in the plexiglass or on the inside. This one is very rough, like I can feel it. So that is a good sign to me that we should be able to sand that off. So we'll go around on the driver's side here, going down. What's impressive about this car, cosmetically, other than it being very dirty, there's a tiny scratch right there. But for the most part, I mean, this thing, unless I'm missing something from how dirty it is, very good condition. On these wheels, there is some curb rash, so we'll figure out a way to take care of that, hopefully. Maybe we'll do a little refinish job on those. Coming around to the back, a tiny mark right here, a little scratch where somebody's drug a piece of luggage or something across there, or something they were getting out of the trunk. But once again, overall, cosmetically, very good. Come onto the passenger side. Same situation with the wheel. You can see it has a little scratches around the edge, but nothing terrible. This chrome is pretty rough. Not great. So we got some work to do with that. Now, I don't know if that'll come clean, or if it doesn't, we'll just take it off there and paint it black. No problem. That wheel, definitely lots of curb rash on that one. So these wheels are, like I said, probably going to be a refinish job at the very least. Okay, we'll check out the back seat here. Once again, just look at the leather in this thing. Is crazy. It's so nice. Got some cup holders. Got a little storage unit there. Very cool. Very cool car. See if the trunk button works. Yes. The trunk, hey, there's the floor mats. I wasn't sure if it had floor mats, so that's kind of exciting. Yeah, those are interesting. They're like really tightly woven. Underneath, let's see if it has a spare tire. That's interesting. So it does not have a spare tire. It actually has, looks like a kit to plug a tire if you have a hole. Not sure if I like that or not. There is a jack there, and there is a wrench. And you see there's a tow hook. I guess you can probably screw into the front. But a little compressor, and what looks like some kind of tank. I don't know, like an air tank maybe. So I'll have to check on that and see if that's good to go, or one-time use, or what it is. I'd hate to sell somebody a car that didn't have a spare tire. Alright, well, thank you very much for joining us for another video today. We're going to get to work on the Volvo. We're going to get to work on the Mini Cooper. I haven't done a lot of video about that one yet. I haven't put it up yet. We got some work left on the Expedition, but we actually we got a little business going here. There's some things happening, so hopefully we start flipping some cars and making some money. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hoopty in the hills. Check us out. Thank you.